So this afternoon, we've called together our district leaders to deeply understand our strategic plan. And so we've called together our district leadership to really engage together in learning. What's our role in strategic plan implementation? How do we see our divisions and our departments and our campuses really embody the spirit of what our community asked for in our strategic plan? And so each one of our leaders here today is going to have the responsibility of sharing this with those that they lead and implement the different initiatives that we have. And so our next steps is to really make sure that each one of our leaders sees themselves in this plan, understands their role in this plan, and knows their responsibility to bring the initiatives and the priorities to life for our community.
The strategic plan is really focused on student needs and community needs. I'm very fortunate to have the opportunity to lead a campus here in the district, and I know that our community has a lot to say about what they want our campus to look like. This strategic plan gives us specific priorities that will help us to get our students where they need to be in the next 5 years and then grow our district to where it needs to be. It gives us a clear pathway of not just year to year, but a 5-year progressive pathway for us to really grow and improve student outcomes here in Joya ISD.
Going out into the community and sharing the strategic plan and how it shows up for our parents and our families and our students and our educators and all of our employees across the district is my first next step. I need each one of our stakeholders to understand that they were seen and heard and how they will feel this come alive for them over the next 5 years. It's not enough to just implement high-quality instructional materials. Now we've got to talk about what quality instruction looks like. And so we've released an instructional framework this year so that we get better, stronger, faster, so that our students are ready at every grade level and not just test ready, but ready for college, career, and life.
Once we implement all that, I think our programs are going to flourish even more. I think our kids are going to be super excited about the possibilities and the outcomes. They're going to be even better, and I think our community is going to be extremely proud of that as well. It's going to take tremendous buy-in by our teachers, which at this point we see that that's happening, and it's going to take a buy-in from our students, which we're very confident with the leadership of our teachers, the results are going to be incredible.
I can't wait to see the plan unfold and come alive. There are some parts that our community is going to feel right away. As we talk about longer-term issues around facilities improvements and campus enhancements, that's community conversations that I can't wait to have. I am really excited to do this shoulder to shoulder in partnership with not only all of our district leaders, but with our community, with our employees, and with our students. I can't wait to get started.